Hello everyone, welcome to TechElephant channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness of your screen in your Windows 10 computer. Now there are two ways you can do it. The first one is by going to the settings, and then the second way is using the buttons on your keyboard. Now let me show you how to do it using the settings. So all you need to do is just right click on any empty space of your desktop and then click on display settings. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see brightness and color. And using this slider, you can adjust the brightness. So if you move it to the left, the brightness will decrease. And if you move it to the right, the brightness will increase. Now you may not be able to see it here because this is a screen record, but it is working. And the next way, which is using the buttons, what you need to do is press and hold the FN key on your keyboard and then press F6 to increase the brightness, as you can see here, and press F5 to decrease the brightness. Now, depending on laptop brands, these brightness icons may be on a different function key. All you need to do is just look for these icons. There is a light icon inside a rectangle, and that way you will find those buttons. And once you find it, all you need to do is just press and hold FN and then press that function key to increase and the other function key to decrease the brightness on your laptop. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do it on a desktop computer because desktop computers don't have this function for some reason. And to decrease or increase the brightness on your desktop computer, you need to use the physical buttons on your monitor to do that. And that is how you adjust the brightness on your Windows 10 computer. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.